Hey MoonToken Fam, it's me, Stacy, your project lead, and this is your update from September 24th to October 1st, 2021. A few things I'd like to run by you today. Actually, the highlight of Sunday was our release of our roadmap, not Sunday, Saturday, and all the days have just merged into one, and it's been the longest week ever. Like I'm like, wow, I can't do another weekly update. But our roadmap was the big whoo from last week that I just want to recap to you about. There is a 23-minute full detailed video below in our YouTube channel. Please check it out. And also on our website, you can go to moontoken.io/roadmap to find the details. And also I've written a blog post about it in our moontoken.io/news, and I think it's /MoonToken roadmap release, but whatever it is, I can't remember the exact URL right now, but please go ahead and check it and just know more about our roadmap. And we love to get ideas from the community, so please share. And one of the things that I'm working on with our web team is something called a ideas launchpad. So we'll be like accepting ideas, and we can share and talk and post it on our website. So stay tuned for that. I want to say that our community, it's quite interesting, the dynamics of it, because people are sharing their ideas, we're getting involved, and Kagluku, I don't know if I pronounced your username correctly, Coco Glue, is creating an animation series for us, which is really cool. And she or he is accepting different business ideas for storylines and narratives. So please join our Telegram chat for that discussion. Next is our upcoming workshop with Move Network, and the topic is GameFi. I have my two friends, Jonathan and Erwin, who created a business for Axie Infinity, and it's called Axie Infinity Scholarships. They're going to be sharing with us the whole business model. And you know what, guys? Axie Infinity in Philippines and Venezuela, but because Jonathan and Erwin do live, their business is based in Philippines, so they're going to really share with us how this SLP, this Smooth Love Potion, is being generally adopted in the Philippines. And people have bought houses using SLP in Philippines. So I'm really looking forward to seeing this model. One is definitely the GameFi. Secondly is how cryptocurrency can really change people's lives. So please join that workshop. It's going to be broadcasted here on YouTube Live, and ask all your questions, and also watch the replay. So we look forward to seeing you there. Next next YouTube Live I'm putting on the schedule is with the creators of Follow Funding, and they're going to be introducing to us in detail what is Follow Funding about, why do they create it, and how we can work together with them. That's all very exciting. That's on Wednesday, the following week. So lots of things to look out for. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you next week. So just remember to join all of our socials. We're pretty chatty there. We're mostly chatty in Telegram. If you happen to be someone who loves Discord, if you happen to be someone who loves Reddit, please, we're looking for community moderators there. We're looking to jazz up that space. So I'm really interested to know how we can do that, and let's do it together as a family. I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye. Oh, we got new copyright music. Very cool. I like this one a lot. Ciao. Bye.